Hey guys, doing a little oil change in the old 4430 here today. Just got me thinking about something that I do, something that I use all the time is this machine here. It's just a label maker. It's I don't know, whatever it is. Let's see what it is there. That's the That's the ribbon that I use all the time that I like the best. But I always, when I change oil and stuff, I always used to scratch into the paint, the hours and stuff. And this thing, it just makes it so nice and neat. You know, it's sticky tape. You just pull the tape off the back and then stick it to it. Like on the fuel filters, I got one on there when I did those, and the oil change. And, usually I have them on like alternator and all that stuff. Yeah, we did an underhaul on this 2013 the way it looks. They stick pretty good because this thing gets washed several times a year, and it's been on there now for almost 4 years. So that's, I mean, unless you put it directly on them, pressure washer usually doesn't blow them off. But just something I thought I'd share there. Something, I mean, these, I think I got this machine for like 25 bucks or something. So I mean, it's not a high dollar thing, and just makes stuff look so much nicer and neater. And just keep track of stuff better that way. I mean, you can still write it down in a book, but this way you don't have to go to the book to see when you did everything. You know, if you do it every time you do stuff like that, then you know. And there should be one on there. Yep, there you go. You don't have to go to the book to look. It's done last August, new ones. So I forget what this thing has on it now. 7154, and that's original hours, so it's 1977. She's a good old tractor. It's had, I don't even want to say how much money stuck into it, but it's kind of one of them deals. You know, it's a good old tractor, and once you get so much money stuck into them, you kind of get attached to them too, I guess. This will probably be one of those family heirloom tractors. This one's actually my uncle's. He owns this one, and then I got that one there. And my dad's old 4630 there. I was going to do a video on that sometime, but the light's not very good in here. Whatever. That's probably my favorite tractor right there. This was actually probably one of the first ones I ever drove, is this 44 here. So it's just a good old tractor. So, I don't know what else to say about it, but yeah. So it's got BF Goodwrench tires in the back. I had put these, I plant with this tractor, so I put some extensions on the hubs here to get the spacing right. Otherwise my dual tires were running, you know, a little bit on the side of the row. I was having a little bit of sidewall compaction problems on 2 rows, so that's another unfinished project. I got that done. I haven't got the parts back for it. Drone back. Trying to get stuff serviced up, even though it's only like 40 degrees out today. I think it's the 25th of March today. Got the lawnmowers all serviced up and ready to go. This is the last tractor to service anyway, so I'm getting closer on that part. kill cultivator here outside. It's too cold to work outside today, so then here I got the Val 6 heater running on the oil. Try to warm it up a little bit so it ain't like maple syrup. I guess I can talk about this a little bit. Oil setup green where you don't have to have any pumps or anything. Got this tank from John Deere dealer, and then we get 5W30 engine oil for pickups and cars and stuff. Just pump it into this tank. This tank was like 70 gallons, I think it is. Something like that. And then we just got 2 regular 55-gallon barrels here with get these vent deals on the top. And just put some 3/4 inch pipe and ball valve, and then swivel. Put caps on here just to keep dirt and stuff out of there. But it makes it a lot easier. Put it down like that, and then instead of having a mess, you're sitting there forever waiting for it to quit dripping. Just flip it up, walk away from it. Obviously, you don't put the cap on. Engine oil, hydraulic fluid, and then dealer also. They got a big truck that they come around. They can just refill these right here. We don't have to mess with barrels or anything. I mean, we got these barrels obviously, but it just makes it really nice. That's antifreeze there. They got a whole can of freeze too. I think that thing's only like 20 gallons or something like that. Normally, unless we change the antifreeze and something, we don't really go through that much of that. So, yeah, that's our little oil setup. Cheap, functional, works for us. So, but that's about all I got for today. Thanks for watching.